Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. Here we're going to be answering some exam questions on functions. Cool. So here we have a question which says the function f is defined by these two fractions. And the first part is to show that f of x equals 2 over x minus 1. So this is adding algebraic fractions. Fun. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this and say f of x equals, and to help with this, I'm actually going to write it as 5x plus 1 over, and I'm going to factorize the bottom. So the x squared plus x minus 2 can factorize to x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Okay, that's useful because now we're taking away this fraction, 3 over x plus 2. So there is some sort of denominator that they have in common. Now, just to change color and not confuse, if I leave this as 5x plus 1 over x plus 2 bracket x minus 1, take away, I want to make the denominators the same. So they both have x plus 2 in their denominators, but if I multiply this one by x minus 1 and this by x minus 1, then I end up with 3 lots of x minus 1 over x plus 2 times x minus 1. Okay, notice how I'm not going to expand the bottom because at some stage I'm expecting for an x plus 2 to cancel so that I get this x minus 1 at the bottom they're looking for. Okay, so now I'm going to expand the top bit though. That bit I can do. 5x plus 1, or let me combine the fractions first, minus 3 lots of x minus 1. So that's me adding the fractions now because I can do that, over x plus 2 times x minus 1. And then that equals 5x plus 1 minus 3x minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 3. Whew! I have seen bloodbaths of mistakes at this stage. Do not be one of those people. Over x plus 2 times x minus 1. Cool. Now, oh dear, oh gosh. Now we have 5x take away 3x, which is 2x. 1 plus 3 is 4. And that's over x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Cool. And then that will simplify to 2 open bracket x plus 2, just factorizing, over x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Then that will equal, because the x plus 2 at the top and the bottom cancel, 2 over x minus 1. So happy days. We've got that there. We've got 2 over x minus 1. And if in the original function x is greater than 1, well, we can say that here as well. Okay. Where x is greater than 1. Okay. Next, we have part B, which says find the inverse or f minus 1 of x. Okay. So let's just make space. Okay. And then we've got part B. I'm so fickle. Right. I'm being really fickle here, changing my mind at all moments. So rather than saying 2 over x minus 1, I can say let x equal 2 over y minus 1. And now my objective is to rearrange this to make y the subject. So if I multiply both sides by y minus 1, I have x multiplied by y minus 1 equals 2. Expanding, I get xy minus, minus x is equal to 2. And if I add x to both sides, I get xy equals 2 plus x. And then dividing by x, I get y is equal to 2 plus x, all divided by x. So therefore, f minus 1 of x is equal to 2 plus x all over x. Okay, then the next part says the function g is defined by g of x equals x squared plus 5 for x is a real number. Solve f of g of x is equal to a quarter. Okay, let's create some space and let's call that part C. So first of all, f of g of x. Well, f of x was equal to 2 over x minus 1. So f of g of x, just to make that clear, that's putting g into f of x. So that's going to be 2 over, instead of writing x, I've got g of x minus 1. And what is g of x? Well, g of x is x squared plus 5. So instead of writing g of x, I'm going to write x squared plus 5. That's that part. And then the minus 1 that was here. And then simplifying that gives you 2 over x squared plus 4. So 2 over x squared plus 4. Okay, so we know that's f of g of x, and we want to make that equal to a quarter. So happy days, we've got 2 over x squared plus 4 equals a quarter. And then if I cross multiply, I get 4 times 2, giving you 8 equals x squared plus 4 times 1, which is x squared plus 4. And then if I take away 8 from both sides, I get 0 equals x squared minus 4. Factorizing gives me x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay? And then that tells me that x is either equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2. Or is it? Got to be careful, guys. We've got to be careful. Right. We've got to go back. So it's f of g of x. It is a composition of functions. For g of x, x can be any real number. That's cool. But with f, they said it twice. Twice. Here, x is greater than 1. Here, x is greater than 1. So, x must be greater than 1. But x is greater than 1. So, x equals 2 is our only solution. A lot of people get excited. They go, yes, x equals 2, x equals minus 2, solve, drop the mic, drop the pen. But no. No. We have to remember what the domain says. So you have to be so careful when looking at these kinds of questions because they can really trip you. And if you were to put x equals minus 2 as a solution, boom, mark gone. Just like that. That's it for this video, guys.